My name is Liz, and I am the program coordinator at the South Central Regional Library. We're part of the Louisville Free Public Library, and today we made a Halloween project together for our first virtual craft and chat session. If you missed the session, this is a quick video tutorial on how to make the project that we made. I'm going to switch the camera over so you can see the project that we made, and I'll go through the steps. So these are just some samples of the cardboard Halloween decorations that we made. We've got the ghost here, a bat, a witch hat, a candy corn, and a pumpkin. So most of the people who signed up for the class should have gotten a template with the different shapes. And here was a candy corn shape, which is probably the easiest shape to make of all of the projects. The bat is a little more complex. It just takes some time. So to get started, we've got our candy corn shape cut out of our template. Then we're going to use some corrugated cardboard to trace the shape twice. I'm just going to flip it over to trace the shape again. It doesn't have to be perfect in your tracing. Your cutting is when you can make it look a little neater. So then you're going to want to cut out the shapes. And the corrugated side was on the bottom while I was tracing, just to make it easier to draw. So we're going to cut out the candy corn. And we need two sides for the top and bottom of our candy corn. There we are. For the class, we were using tubes of corrugated cardboard that they picked up in the craft kit. So it was about that wide for our cardboard, and we just need a strip that is about a third as wide of that. So we're going to cut a strip that will go around, but it's only a third of that size. So I've already got this one cut here, and just make it long enough that it's easy to work with, but you'll be able to fit it easily around your shape. So then I just used some hot glue, but you can use any kind of glue. The hot glue is a little bit cooled down now, so we can use some tape instead. You're just going to tape or glue the cardboard smooth side to smooth side so that the outside will be the corrugated sides. And you're going to do that all the way around the bottom of your shape. Basically building sort of like a wall around your shape. If you use liquid glue, you'll just want to be a little patient with it. If you're using hot glue, it goes a lot faster. If you're using tape, that works too. Just use whatever you have on hand. You can see I'm just taping it down. Around the shape. So just tape and press. Glue is going to be a lot sturdier, but tape works too. And then when you get to the end here, just trim off, but leave a little overhang so you can tuck that in and you can tape that or glue that together from the inside. That way the tape's not showing or the glue's not showing. And then once you have that completed, you'll want to just put the top part on there. For this, you'd probably want to use glue. And then you have your shape. So this is one I did earlier. So it's dry and it's sturdy. So from there, you would just want to paint your design. So like with the candy corn, you would just put your yellow line, your orange line, and your white top. And I like to leave mine a little rustic looking with the paint, as you can see. So that is a completed candy corn. And if you're ready to do the bat or a more complicated shape, I would just say when you're building the walls around the bat, just do one little section at a time with your glue. That way it'll hold and stick easier, and then you can move on to the next curve. The curves and the points are really what make the bat a little more complicated than the candy corn. I hope you enjoy this quick project for Halloween. It's easy to make with cardboard and other tools you have on hand. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.